and guacamole, or you can call it avocado.
Thank you so much, Labs. Thank you for tuning in. This is day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas, and today we are cooking some homemade crisps and guacamole or avocado. So I'm just going to start by cutting the potatoes, which I've already peeled, in very thin sizes that resemble the crisps, and then we are going to deep fry them. So let's go. So now I'm going to salt them before I deep fry them in hot oil. So now let's make the guacamole real quick. It's actually avocado. I don't know why they call it guacamole. Is it because it has just been mashed and added some salt and some pepper or some spices? Anyway, let us mash this one and then I'll show you the final result. So I tried plating it the way they do in those bougie restaurants with those plastic bowls. It did not come out as I thought it would in my mind. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Leave your comments down below. And let me see you on my next one. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
Have yourself a merry little